warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Mahaira Pranyasha from 9A and here I will explain to you guys about Bitaqwa app, Jadwal Salat Screen. And let's get started. So, the first, this is the Jadwal Salat Screen code that I already made. And here, class, I will explain from the top. So this class Jadwal Salat Screen extends stateful widget. So, uh, so this code means this page can change, like for example, from loading to showing data. So inside it, there's data file screen state where the logic and are written. And then for the variables, so it is the variable. So, uh, like for the jadwal salat, it's to store prayer time data, and for the location name is to store user's city name, and for the else loading is to check if data is still loading or already done. And then for the fetch jadwal salat, so this function gets prayer time data from internet. Like if success, data will return, and if failed, shows it will shows error load failed to load jadwal salat. So that will show it both in our UI. And then this for the final, and then this is response, and then uh, so fetch location and jadwal salat. This fetch location and jadwal salat. So this part like for us ask for location permission, like if allow get we we will get current latitude or longitude. So and it turns that into city name, like for example Bogor. And then we'll call set jadwal salat to get the prayer times. And then we'll update this screen using that state. So this function basically does to find your location and then get schedule and then show it on your screen. This one. And then the false. So it will be there's like the and then like I will say like error patching location or default location permission not granted. So this. And then let's go to the next. So this void in state, super in state, path location, and default path. So this runs automatically when the page opens. So it immediately starts loading your data. This one. And then this for we setting our UI in our application inside our application. So this is what's shown on our screen. So this for the app bar. The title is Jadwal Salat plus back button. So in the body, if it's loading, will shows loading spinner, and then if failed, will shows fail to load jadwal screen, and if success, will shows the date, location, and prior times inside a white card. And then this for the setting like the title, so the style, the text style, the color is white, and then the font family is pop is medium. And then this for the icon button, this for back to the previous UI. And then this if loading is gagal from the internet, so will uh, appear like loading some loading so in the center, and then we can setting it so there's like this text failed to load jadwal salat, and if success, so there will be appear our jadwal salat screen like this for the color is blue, and then there's like a container, and then this like there's like I said there's an image like there's a header of the jadwal salat screen, and then also there's size box So this we use icebox for making their space between the header and the tags. And then this for the tags, there's the day, the month, and this like our location or the daytime right now. And then this we styling for the text. So this the font size is 24, the color is white, and the font family is Poppin Semi Bold. And then this size box also it's for making there is a space. And then this we use main axis alignment for making the row is on center. And then we use icons for make it there's like icon location. And then this we use the color constant color primary. And then we make the text. So this the text is for uh this is for like shows the location name. So if still loading, so it's like there's appear mengambil lokasi, and then we set style the text. So we use white color, and then we use Poppins regular for the font. And then this for the card jadwal sholat. So we use size box for making there space, and then we use container, and the margin use horizontal 24, and the for padding it's for padding is used uh, symmetric horizontal 32, and the vertical is 24. And then we use black box decoration. Also we use for the radius. The size is 20, and then the color of the border radius is white. And here for making there's a column. So here the first subuh, and this we image block, and then this size box where make it there's a space. And then this also there's size box. Also, this for Zuhur prayer, same like before subuh. And then this for the container, there is container with double infinity, and the color is like kind of white but kind of yellow. And then this for asar, this for maghrib, and this for isya. And so the prayer time card, so it shows like today's date. Like for example, today is like Friday, 17 October, and location, for example, Bogor, Jawa Barat. And this there will be like a list of prayer times: subuh, zuhur, asar, maghrib, and isya. So each one is displayed using a widget called time, which shows the name, time, and clock image. And right now I will explain also in the dashboard screen. So, uh, wait guys. Uh, this there's like a string location, string prayer name, string prayer time, and string background image. So this uh is for string location is for getting our location, and prayer name is loading, prayer time loading also, and background image we put our asset of the background image, the header, the dashboard background based on time of day. And this the jadwal salat, list dynamic jadwal salat is list of prayer schedules fetched from GitHub. So we also use GitHub for make it for setting the time of our prayer time. And here void in state, super in state update prayer time. So this function runs automatically when the screen first loads. It's called update prayer time, which requires location permission, get the user's coordinates, fetch the prayer schedule, and update the UI with location, next prayer, and background image. And then for the update prayer time, so this update prayer time is this is the main function. So this for the us for the location permission, and then we get the current GPS positions and find the city name using coordinates, and this fetch the prayer schedule from GitHub and calculates the next prayer time and update the UI using set states. So if the location fails, will shows location not affiliated. And then let's be next to the fetch jadwal start. So uh, um, so this function fetch is monthly prayer time data. So that's from GitHub. So if it fails, it shows like failed to load jadwal sholat on our UI. And then this calculate next prayer. So this function is finds the upcoming prayer time based on the current time. So we will get the our today's schedule and then converts each prayer time into a date time, and then we'll check which prayer time is still ahead, and then if all have passed, it resets to subuh, and then this finally it sets. But if it's not, we will like there's like the text like tidak bisa mendapatkan lokasi. So our location is lokasi deteksi sedia, prayer name is error, and the prayer time is also error. And then for the final prayer also the subuh, the name subuh, zuhur. This for make it match from the GitHub also. And this for the variable for save the value like the string next prayer and the date time is next prayer time. And this for the search a time terdekat. Ini mencari waktu saat terdekat yang akan datang. So this prayer for age like name and time. Prayer time. So this for make it search the time. And then this for the request location permission. So request this for request the user's location permission. So returns true if granted. So if false is uh, denied. And then this for get background image. So uh, this for the change the dashboard background according to the time. Like for before 12 it will be morning, and before 18 it will be there's like a header afternoon, and if not between this, so it will be appear header background header dashboard night. And that's all from our code of Jadwal Salat Screen. Um, Later after this, I will show to you guys my from the UI from the emulator. Thank you so much all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So guys, this is the UI of Jadwal Salat screen in Bitakwa app. So here there are like the title, the text, Senin. This our date, and then this the location, and this for the subuh, zuhur, asar, maghrib, and isha, and also this there are the time of our uh, prayer time. Thank you so much for watching this video.